What's going on, guys? Josh and Riley here with MarineMax St. Petersburg, staying in front of another NauticStar that we have in inventory. If you haven't heard before, NauticStar is a new brand for us here at MarineMax in St. Petersburg. And today we're going to take a specific look at the 2102 Legacy by NauticStar. Come on, hop on board and take a look. Just like NauticStar, we have another new brand coming to MarineMax St. Petersburg. That's Yamaha Outboards, which is paired with every NauticStar boat. This one in particular is a 200 mounted here on the back. Just adjacent, you have a conveniently placed swim ladder for your onboard and offboard, and you have an easy entryway here that latch unlatches and opens for easy access. Immediately as you board the NauticStar 2102 Legacy, you're going to notice a huge bench seat across the back. There's plenty of comfortable seating for your guests while underway. And just behind here, you're going to have a nice live well to keep all your live baits alive. Let's move forward and check out the helm. As we move up to the helm, you're going to notice you have your leading poster, flip-off holsters, and you have easy access to all your instruments. You have the Go 7 XSC by Simrad already mounted here, ready to go, as well as the Infinity head unit powering your JBL speakers. And across here, you're going to have your toggle switches for all the rest of your accessories. Let's take a look at the bow. As we move forward here to the bow, you're going to notice you have a great deal of seating in the front of this NauticStar. But they don't forget your fishing option. You do have a forward live well underneath the forward face seat. That's a walkthrough. If you guys have any questions, reach out to us here at MarineMax in St. Petersburg. We're located in Gulfport at 6810 Gulfport Boulevard South in St. Petersburg. Check out the 360 view we're going to have on this boat, as well as something new we're offering on a lot of our listings. So check that out and leave a comment below. Talk to you soon.